Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Zainab Yousuf, and today I'll be sharing the insights on how Gen AI is transforming healthcare. This talk is part of one of the Women in AI initiatives where we explore the potential of AI to create ethical and impactful solutions for society. This will be the overall flow of the presentation where we will discuss about AI in healthcare in a very generic perspective. Then we will move on with Gen AI in healthcare, then why Gen AI matters and what are the capabilities and uses of Gen AI, the benefits of Gen AI, obviously, and the use cases that are being there in the industry for Gen AI in healthcare. Then we will move towards what is the attitude towards Gen AI in healthcare in terms of adoptability, any other challenges. Then we will specifically move towards these challenges and opportunities and the international perspective for the adoption of Gen AI in healthcare. Then we will move on with the guidelines for Gen AI, and finally we will conclude the presentation. AI is embedded in healthcare through multiple technologies ranging from machine learning models that are able to predict readmissions and ICU outcomes, like John Hopkins ICU AI system. Similarly, we have models from natural language processing, such as a bridge that automates the ICU notes and discharge summaries. Many of the systems lies under computer vision umbrella like Microsoft's MyDxO that analyze medical images for automating the diagnosis. Robotics is also involved through platforms like Da Vinci and are enhancing the surgical precision with over 12 million procedures performed worldwide. And finally, we have AI-driven remote care solutions like Care that is assisting the elderly patients and those with dementia. Healthcare is undergoing a major digital transformation where we are moving from manual, paper heavy workflows to AI powered system. Gen AI is able to create synthetic data. It is able to draft clinical notes. It can simulate treatment outcomes and can have personalized care for each patient. The key goals are improving outcomes, increasing the efficiency, reducing cost, and expanding the access, especially for the underserved communities. So Gen AI is built on these foundations with powerful capabilities. It supports clinicians with evidence-based decision tools like open evidence, which is now used daily by 40% of US doctors. Diagnostic reasoning engines like Microsoft MyDxO achieves an 85% success rate in solving complex cases, which is far beyond human averages. In ICU, AI predicts life-threatening conditions like sepsis hours in advance. For the medical students' education, AI enables rare case simulations. In the operating room, the Vinci robotic system integrates AI for greater surgical accuracy. And finally, patient communication is transformed through AI-powered triage bots such as Care Yaya, Medicare LLM. So, if we talk about the benefits of Gen AI in healthcare, the benefits of Gen AI are already visible. In UK, Kera AI system reduce hospitalizations by 70% and save NHS around £1 million every day. Documentation automations with a bridge has processed more than 50 million conversations and is helping reducing physicians' burnout. The robotic surgeries with Da Vinci lower complication rates and even shorter recovery times. Globally, the market for Gen AI in healthcare is projected to grow more than $21 million by 2032, with an annual growth rate of 35%. Gen AI is transforming healthcare in many ways, but these are the five powerful ways. It accelerates the drug discovery, cutting time and cost of new treatments. It improves disease diagnosis by interpreting images and records with high accuracy. It enables tailored treatment plans personalized to each patient's health profile. Through medical simulation, it offers safe, realistic training for healthcare professionals. And with medical chatbot, it expands access by accessing system and guiding patients. Together, these applications make healthcare faster, smarter, and more patient centric. Despite these successes, attitude toward Gen AI in healthcare are mixed. Some hospitals are cautious, restricting adoption due to liability and regulatory concerns. There are genuine worries about misdiagnosis, including examples where chat based AI has produced incorrect or harmful advice. Most experts recommend cautious adoption, ensuring that AI augments rather than replace clinicians. In robotic surgery, debates continue about how much autonomy AI systems should have compared to human surgeons. The opportunities ahead are significant. Gen AI enhances diagnostic through reasoning engines like MyDxO. It automates documentation with a bridge, now valued at over $5 billion. In the ICU, AI predicts sepsis before onset, enabling timely interventions. Robotic surgeries reduce fatigue for doctor and improve precision. Remote care through tools like Kera lower cost and improve prevention. And in drug discovery, AI is accelerating pharma pipelines, reserving decades of declining efficiency in R&D. Along with the opportunities, at the same time, there are clear challenges. Regulations from agencies like FDA and EMA are struggling to keep up with the rapid AI innovation. Bias and liability issues remain, especially in ICU AI systems that may disadvantage minority groups. Privacy and security are major concerns, requiring strict compliance with HIPAA and GDPR. And in robotic surgery, there are ongoing ethical legal questions around accountability when AI plays a role in critical decisions. If we look globally, we see different approaches to adoption. In US, open evidence and Abridge are widely used, while Johns Hopkins is piloting ICU AI. In the UK, the NHS is using Kera AI to save cost and reduce hospitalization. The European Union is focused on building strong regulatory frameworks around ethics and safety. And in China, large scale AI projects such as DeepSeek are expanding applications in AI, ICU monitoring, and robotic surgeries. To ensure safe adoption, guidelines are essentials. Developers must create explainable and fair AI systems. Administrators are responsible for governance and compliance. Clinicians should integrate AI cautiously while retaining the final decision authority, and patients need transparent communication and informed consent to build trust. Organizations like WHO, FDA are leading global efforts to define these standards. In conclusion, Gen AI is driving safer ICU outcomes, more efficient surgeries, and improved patient care. The challenges like bias, regulations, and trust cannot be ignored, but the consensus is clear. AI should support, not replace clinicians. The future lies in ethical, inclusive, and patient centric AI systems that empower both healthcare professionals and the patients they save. Thank you.